Hi guys. Today it's going to be a very short lecture. I just want to talk a little bit about assignment 7. If you haven't watched lecture 10, which was all about your big assignment, which is the social media strategy assignment, please go back and watch lecture 10. It's really important that you understand what we are supposed to do at the end of the semester. That's going to be creating a social media strategy. And to create the strategy, we're going to build up to it. So assignment 7 is going to be the first 2 steps of your social media strategy. So basically, whatever group you have decided on, whatever trend or topic you guys are planning to do together, we're going to focus on that. And whatever brand your brand is called, you can give it a name, you can create a logo for that. But what you're going to do first is create a target audience analysis. Okay, so you're going to do some research, gather some data to find out who is your target audience, who are the ideal customers for your brand, the demographics, their interests, their personality types. So you're going to look at what age group they are, what are they like, what are their expectations, and so on. So that's step 1. And step 2 is platform selection. So choose the most suitable social media platforms for your brand. Where do your ideal customers hang out? How do they interact with brands? Which social media sites do they use the most? So you're going to do some research on that. And if you're doing, let's say you're doing streetwear, so you want to know which type of customers are more interested in streetwear, what age groups, maybe what generation, and what kind of social media channels are they the most active. So you want to do some research on that. And the results from your research is going to be helpful for you to create your social media strategy. So I want you guys to focus on that. And another thing that's not in your assignment, but I want you to also look into brands that have very strong marketing campaigns or stories on Instagram or TikTok. Which brands do you find the most successful in terms of how they do their storytelling? So try to keep an eye on those, because that will also be helpful for you in the future. So I'm going to finish here for this lecture. Again, make sure you watch lecture 10, because that will help you understand your main project. I didn't post the main project, the social media strategy project, as an assignment yet. I will do it in a couple of weeks. It will be due partly, in different parts, in different steps. So I haven't posted it on Blackboard yet, but I posted it on lecture 10, and I explained to you what it is going to be about. So make sure you watch it so that you understand what we are trying to do here. All right, I'll be done for today.